Hey everybody, it's Bibby from Rumac, and I'm bringing you another edition of Most Heroic Defense. So today's Most Heroic Defense was put in play by Sir Bunk. Congratulations, Sir Bunk. Um, your attacker made that classic mass drag mistake of dropping his connection in the middle of the attack. That's not the only thing he did wrong. Okay, let's take a look here. So he started by dropping 3 dragons right in the middle of the line. Right away, I question what the plan here is. Those 3 dragons you can probably see are going to destroy that army camp, and then they're going to move on to the gold mine and on the left and the elixir pump on the right, and then they're going to move on to the barracks on the right and the elixir storage on the left. This is not like a difficult pathfinding exercise. It's very clear that right off the bat he's got 3 dragons who are gonna do the circle around the base. They're not going to be delivered to the core. When you are doing mass dragons against a tight core, all the air defenses, all the anti-airs, in the center, in the core there, you want to deliver as many dragons as possible directly into that core. And when you're up against a maxed out Town Hall 8, let's say they've got 3 air defenses in there, I would say you've got to deliver 7 or 8 dragons to the core, plus your balloons if you want to have any chance of succeeding. And since you're going to lightning the air defense that you can't reach, it's going to be 7, 8 dragons and 6 balloons versus 2 air defenses, pretty close together, and that gives you a reasonable chance of winning. Now what I would have done here is come in from the northwest and lightning that eastern air defense. That way you're not up against that giant piece of armor that is the clan castle. He's got one little problem here, which is the air sweeper would be opposing him in that case, but you could take care of that with balloons. There's a very clear balloon path from the southern tip to the mortar to the air sweeper, and I don't even think that puts you in range of any of those air defenses. But that's not what this guy did. Let's take a look at how what he did do unfolds. You can see his dragons are off to the left, off to the right, so he drops a few more. He has a little bit of a hitch with the clan castle, but mass dragons usually takes care of that. Some of his dragons do go back to the center, but they are getting wrecked with traps. They're stopping to take care of that balloon. Now they're taking fire from the air defense. 2 dragons have arrived at the core, and they are stuck firing at the clan castle all day long while they get wrecked. And now it's just a matter of time. How long will it be before the air defenses destroy all these guys? Is the attacker going to get 1 star? It's going to be quite a long wait because he did disconnect, and that is sort of sad because I think what's happening here definitely establishes that you don't ever want to drop a bunch of dragons in the center of the line. Can't prove that conclusively when you didn't get a chance to release 2 of the dragons plus what I assume were his balloons. But this just had the look of a train wreck all over from the very beginning, and I hope that's a useful review for you guys. Don't do what this guy did, and you'll have a happier life, I promise. Okay, Bibby out.